Oh my god. Well, guys, back in another video again. Another Blizzard video again. There it is, guys. I really just don't want to make a lot of reviews, but I know you guys like it, so appreciate it. Look at this shit. Look. Holy shit. Hold up. If I open this right now, dude, everything is full of dog shit, bro. Everything is full of dog shit, dude. Oh, I'm about to slip the fuck out, dude. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look the fuck this. It's like, it's about to be like 30 fucking inches of shit. Holy fucking shit, dude. Oh! Whew. You see this? I'm wearing my fucking J's, dude. For fuck's sakes. Oh, guess what? NYPD is right out here watching if no cops out here. Look at this. Every single fucking thing. Now, tomorrow I'm gonna be shoveling snow. And look at this shit. Who the fuck put the bike over there? Hey, dude, who does a right mind put us over there? If you try riding it. What the fuck, man? Gosh, I can't. Oh, shit. I'm about to slip, dude. Everything is covered in fucking snow, dog. Look here, look at everything. Look at everything, dude. What's more? Look at this. No one is outside, literally. They'll be like, oh, fucking, I ain't going outside. I ain't going outside, motherfucker. I'm staying inside till it stops. Dude. Whoever the fuck riding that goddamn scooter. Damn, you're cooked. I might have to go back inside, guys. I'm getting cold. I'm getting cold as shit, dude. Whew. See ya.